Alright, I'm going to go and get some more coffee. I know. Coffee in the morning, energy drinks in the afternoon. Makes sense, right? But right now I'm going to get a third coffee. And it's raining out, so the charger's in its garage. So if you're wondering why I'm driving the hell out of this PT Cruiser, well, you'll soon find out because it's gonna be amazing. Alright, I'm back, got my coffee. Sitting beside the SRT. Now the idea behind Rev Up the PT Cruiser is to drive this PT Cruiser till it breaks. And then another SRT is coming. But what is it gonna be? Wait till you see. It's not happening just yet, but it will be soon. Oh, I got my eye on a few different ones. One of them is really cool. Oh, you just wait. Cause it's gonna be so sick.